Hello viewers, how are you? HTML Basics for Beginners. We are exploring 5 essential HTML tags step by step guide. What we do? In this video, we will explore the 5 essential HTML tags that every beginner needs to know to create tuning web pages. Explain each tags. Number 1. HTML. It defines the structure of your web page. Number 2. Head tag. It contains information like the page title and linked style sheets. Number 3. Title. User see on the browser tab. Number 4. Body. All visible content goes here. And number 5. H1 defines the largest and most important headings. Then let's start with C practical. First of all, we start HTML. You know every tag start from um, greater than and less than. Means every tag start opening and closing. That let's we start with the HTML. First of all, we press shift, then less than, and write HTML, then close it. And now, second is head tag, and the tag is title. I'm writing just save, and tit and the tag is body, and h1. You know when we run browser, the corner and the title start from name. Let's we start first starting web app Chrome. I'm using Chrome browser, and now we are writing something. We are starting with heading tag. Okay viewers, you know, let's see, first of all we use HTML tag and head tag, a title tag, body tag and h1 tag. If you understand my practical and videos, then share, like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for latest videos. Thanks for watching.